Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome again. If you are new here, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our new video. So friends, without any delay, let's start our today's lesson. What is lacking here? यहाँ किस चीज की कमी है? What is lacking here? What is lacking here? Don't quarrel over trifles. मामूली बातों पर झगड़ा मत करो. Do not quarrel over trifles. Don't quarrel over trifles. छोटी छोटी बातों पर झगड़ा मत करो. This is an utter nonsense. ये बिल्कुल फजूल बात है. This is an utter nonsense. This is an utter nonsense. My brother snores during sleep. मेरा भाई सोते हुए खराटे लेता है. My brother snores during sleep. My brother snores during sleep. मेरा भाई सोते हुए खराटे लेता है. You are not understanding me. तुम मेरी बात नहीं समझ रहे. You are not understanding me. You are not understanding me. और you are not following me. तुम मेरी बात नहीं समझ रहे. Come on alternate days. एक दिन छोड़कर आया करो. Come on alternate days. Come on alternate days. एक दिन छोड़कर आया करो. Talk sense. अकल की बात करो. Talk sense. Talk sense. He died a miserable death. वो बहुत बुरी मौत मरा. He died a miserable death. He died a miserable death. I am going to flea market. मैं लंडा बाजार जा रहा हूँ. I am going to flea market. I am going to flea market. Don't pull my hair. मेरे बाल मत खींचो. Do not pull my hair. Don't pull my hair. Such a moocher you are. बड़े ही मुफ्तखोर हो. Such a moocher you are. Such a moocher you are. बड़े ही मुफ्तखोर हो तुम. He is not in good health. उसकी सेहत खराब है. He is not in good health. He is not in good health. उसकी सेहत ठीक नहीं है. He is not in good health. What did this phone cost you? ये फोन तुमने कितने में खरीदा? What did this phone cost you? What did this phone cost you? I can't wait any longer. मैं ज्यादा देर इंतजार नहीं कर सकता. I cannot wait any longer. I can't wait any longer. मैं मजीद इंतजार नहीं कर सकता. Why is my eye twitching? मेरी आंख क्यों फड़क रही है? Why is my eye twitching? Why is my eye twitching? It will be a great favor to you. आपका बड़ा एहसान होगा. It will be a great favor to you. It will be a great favor to you. आपका बड़ा एहसान होगा. या आप ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं It will be a great favor. It will be a great favor. Her throat is swollen. उसका गला सूजा हुआ है. Her throat is swollen. Her throat is swollen. You have got to work with me. तुम्हें मेरे साथ काम करना होगा. You have got to work with me. You have got to work with me. तुम्हें मेरे साथ काम करना होगा. What became of my phone? मेरे फोन का क्या बना? What became of my phone? What became of my phone? I had not the foggiest notion. मुझे मामूली अंदाजा तक नहीं था. I had not the foggiest notion. I had not the foggiest notion. मुझे मामूली अंदाजा तक नहीं था. The ring is not coming off. Ring नहीं उतर रही. The ring is not coming off. The ring is not coming off. अंगूठी नहीं उतर रही. He walks briskly. वो तेज-तेज चलता है. He walks briskly. He walks briskly. वो तेज-तेज चलता है. How much is it? ये कितने का है? How much is it? How much is it? I am bilingual. मैं 2 ज़ुबानें बोलता हूँ. I am bilingual. I am bilingual. वो कहाँ था? Where had he been? Where had he been? वो कहाँ था? Where had he been? Nobody really knows. किसी को नहीं पता या कोई नहीं जानता. Nobody really knows. Nobody really knows. I'll have to find it. मुझे ये ढूंढना पड़ेगा. I will have to find it. I will have to find it. मुझे ये ढूंढना पड़ेगा. What's wrong with it? इसमें क्या मसला है? What is wrong with it? What's wrong with it? I'm glad to see you here. तुम्हें यहाँ देखकर खुशी हुई. I am glad to see you here. I am glad to see you here. आपको यहाँ देखकर खुशी हुई. I am glad to see you here. That should not happen. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. That should not happen. That should not happen. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. You have to do the talking. बात तुम्हें करनी होगी. You have to do talking. You have to do talking. बात तुम्हें करनी होगी. I don't know where she is. मुझे नहीं पता वो कहाँ है. I do not know where she is. I don't know where she is. मुझे नहीं पता वो कहाँ है. तो दोस्तों ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो. दोस्तों अगर आप भी इस तरह के सेंटेंसेस सीखकर अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं तो हमारे साथ कनेक्ट रहें. हमारे इस चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें. मैं इस तरह के सेंटेंसेस डेली आपके साथ शेयर करता हूँ. जितनी ज़्यादा हम इस सेंटेंसेस की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना ज़्यादा हम अपनी स्पोकन इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करेंगे. सो फ्रेंड्स मिलते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.